we have this pink blank satin sash. Ours is no longer blank because we used it, but it's this soft baby pink satin sash, and it comes in a set. You can order different quantities, but it is blank when it comes. We did use iron-on letters on ours. They adhere beautifully. The iron didn't change the satin at all, and when it comes, it is folded up, and so you can kind of see what happens when you fold it. It does crease, but a quick steam, a really quick steam, takes out a lot of the sharp wrinkles. And so this has been stored for a while, so if I could just hit it with the steam real fast and it would just be perfect. Really impressed with this. It's very lightweight, it's not super thick, and the end doesn't have tails, so if you're looking for something a little bit cleaner, it's just already done, cleaned up at the end, so it hangs on the body beautifully. Really like this color pink. It's a little bit darker than like a baby pink, perfect for a bachelorette. You can tell we did it for a Queen Elizabeth Barbie outfit, but really like it. You know, great quality for the price. Recommend.